Cleaning roots in the sewer line with hydrogeting. I got the camera. Clean now. Push the camera in. Keep going. Going. I don't know if you're gonna go through there. Back, push, pull back. Let me try to pull back a little bit. Hold on. Go in. Go in. And these are the roots that we're dealing with. Keep going. That's the roots right there. Doing a hydrogeting job in Yuba City. Making a lot of progress with the roots. But we still need some more. Go back. This is John's Rooter, Yuba City, California. We're doing a trenchless spot repair, no excavation repair. We got a broken line right there on that section. We got a clean out access over here. And we got our trenches equipment going in from the clean out. No excavation at all. And we're taking care of a broken pipe right there. Give us a call, 530-433-5773, free estimates. Again, this is John's Rooter and Plumbing. We're the experts in sewer and drain. Give us a call. Keep going. That's the repair. Go slow. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Right there. That's the city. Bring it back all the way.